How to log out of Kakaotalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can log out of Kakaotalk. Let's get started. First, open Kakaotalk application on a device. Now go to the settings right here, tap on it. Now go to general settings. There is not any built-in feature of logout on this Kakaotalk application. You can just log out by doing this simple trick. I'll teach you how. Just go to the settings on your device. Now once you go to settings, tap on general. Now here you can see iPhone storage, tap on it, iPhone storage. Now once you do that, we'll scroll down and find Kakaotalk. It's right here, tap on it. Now here you can see offload app, just tap on offload app. Now once you do that, there you will be automatically logged out from the device. Just tap on offload app, and once you open the Kakaotalk application, you will need to log in again. And that's it. This is how you can log out of Kakaotalk. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.